Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to ensure that your formulas in Microsoft Excel calculate automatically. If you have ever noticed that your formulas aren't updating as they should, follow these simple steps to fix it. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Excel to load your worksheet. Now over here, as you can see, I have a small table to demonstrate how it actually works. So first, let's write a simple formula over here to check whether the automatic calculation is working or not. Now just simply hit enter and see now we have a total of these numbers, as you can see right over here. Now if I change the number over here, and as you can see, the number over here is not changing automatically. So let me show you how to fix this. So what you have to do is click on the Formulas tab at the top of the window. Now in this tab, just let me locate the calculation option. Click on this option. This option controls how and when the formulas are recalculated. And once you open the section over here, make sure that the automatic is selected, which is the setting that will enable Excel to update the formulas automatically whenever you make any type of change in the data. And to test if it's working or not, let's change some value in the worksheet. So let's make it 90, and the moment I would click enter, the value should change automatically. As you can see right over here. So that's it. And now you've successfully set up your Excel worksheet to calculate formulas automatically. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.